All right, hello and welcome everybody to how to install a Metra wiring harness in a Toyota Tundra. This is the amp bypass harness. Super easy. I'm gonna try and make this as quick as possible. I'm not gonna go into super big detail about how to do this, but I'm gonna show you how to do it because your radio might be different than mine, and the wiring, the splicing might be different. But we're gonna show you how to disassemble most of the Tundra stuff and go and do it that way. So let's go ahead. First thing first, we need to remove all this. Super easy. Remove these three fellers simply by pulling them out. They might be a little bit tough for you if they have been on there for a really long time. And then there's be three Phillips screws, 1, 2, 3. Mine are already removed. Like I said, Phillips screwdriver. Super simple. This just pops out like so. All right. Now you're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4 10mm bolts. Yours probably look different than mine because I think I was missing some or lost some. But this is the easiest part. You're going to take out the radio, replace all that, and then we're going to run the wire harness. But let's go to the back. Oh, lift up the seats. All right. So we lifted up the seats. You're gonna have to get all this crap out of the way. I was lazy and I just ran it under here, the wiring. This just pulls out, and then you're gonna need you have to remove that, pull this out, just simply pull it out. And then there is a 10mm bolt in here, so you need a socket and wrench to do that. And then we take our, wow, the door closes by itself, trim clip tool. One easy way to do it, if your Tundra has this, you can just roll down the whole rear window. A little bit easier, slightly easier, but basically just come back here and just loosen this. Pop all that off. Work your way down. Basically, this all just pops off. Other side. Super easy stuff. Pop it off. There's your amp. So then you just unplug this one. Mine's already plugged in, obviously. So you just unplug that, plug in your new harness, and then up to you and how you want to run it. I don't have kids or anything right now, so not a lot of people riding the back, but I'm going to just run this cable like so. And I ran it, you can see under here, I fed the other connector underneath the center console and up through there. Super easy, super cheap. If you want, you can take out the carpet and stuff. I'm not going to do that. I'm probably just going to get some like braided stuff to protect this, or some I forget the word for it, the corrugated, I don't know, the stuff that that you put on wires. If you wanted to go fancier, obviously you have to remove all the carpet, but that's all it is. It's super simple to do this. But there's your amp, and you plug it in the other side of the radio, and you're good to go. Like I said, I didn't want to do a really crazy tutorial because it's kind of really self-explanatory, super simple to do. Pretty much anyone can do it. And everything just snaps back in, and you're good to go. Put your big clips back in. So like I said, this is a super basic tutorial. All I did was, seriously, you can probably see right down there, the wires. I just ran them up through the center console, plugged it all in. Easy peasy, super simple to do. This is crazy easy. Everyone can do this to their own Tundra. And then simply just mash everything back in, and you're very much so good to go. Very easy. Very, very easy to do. Ugh. I'm sorry for the crappy tutorial. It's really cold outside. It's about to snow a whole bunch here. So, again, I apologize. If you want a better tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, there you go. Your Tundra now has an amp bypass wire harness installed. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, consider subscribing for more stuff like this. Ugh.